The congresses went extremely well. It was peaceful. It was fair. It was credible. We had only one incident. And that is why the panel, headed by His Excellency, the Governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, the panel have decided and undertaken a decision to cancel Etsako Central. So we're not going to have results for Etsako Central. Now, why is that so? The vehicle conveying the electoral officers were kidnapped somewhere in Jattu. The CP was immediately called upon to get to the bottom of this. The DPO, the vigilante, everybody around that area were tagged on the issue. And unfortunately, as at the time we were closing the Congress yesterday, we couldn't lay hands on the electoral officers. So I'm sure the panel, in their wisdom, decided that leaving at Etsako Central will not have any substantial effect on the overall results in terms of the governorship primaries that will take place on the 22nd of February this year. We're expecting that Etsako Central is supposed to give us 31 delegates. And overall, we're expecting 594 delegates to vote on the 22nd of February. So if you take that ratio, 31 to 594, you will agree with the panel that that's perhaps the best decision to have taken. The party, in its wisdom, has set up an appeal panel headed by His Excellency, distinguished Senator Seriake Dickson. They are going to be sitting on the 7th of this month. So whatever issues they have individually or collectively, the party has set up the appeal panel already. And I will urge them to take their grievance there.
For updates.